Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to change this iPhone 6s Plus battery. I already changed it once for the customer or the client, and unfortunately she kept the phone keep on plugging in. So when you keep your phone plugged in or any of the devices that uses lithium ion battery or lithium ion polymer, it's gonna expand because it's the phone is gonna keep on getting charged and the battery is gonna get overheated, and the heat it expand. So that's what happened. Okay, so do not ever leave your charger either on your laptop, notebook, GoPro, or any other DJI whatever digital camera devices that uses lithium ion battery. Do not leave it plugged in all the time. This will happen, believe me. It happens to my LG battery as well. And this is the LG V10 battery. And then look at this one. This is crazy. It's about to explode. It's supposed to be thin. And I believe this is for my Samsung Note 3. My Samsung Note 4. And this is the J3, as you can see. It's make my battery cover pop out. So now I can't even close it. So you want to check your battery and make sure it is sitting flat. When you keep spin like this, that means your battery is already bulged or expanded. Okay. Some of the batteries still hold charges, but it's gonna make your phone crack open like this one. So what is the point, right? And although this one, it doesn't spin, and I use this phone as a security camera, keep on plugging in, so it doesn't hold the charge anymore. I think it shows at 23% or 28%, supposed to be 100%. And I don't think this is the original one. Be careful when you shop on third party out there. Although it says original or whatever, it's a fake one, okay? Or the replica. This one doesn't even say Samsung, so just be careful what you buy out there, and make sure you click on all the reviews before you purchase it. And this is example of the Apple iPod. As you can see, the battery is expanded as well because I keep on let it plug in. So anyway, we're just going to open this up and change out the new battery that I got. Okay. This is a high capacity battery, but if you buy a good battery and you don't know how to charge it properly, it's still gonna damage it. So I'm going to remove those two pentalobe screws down here. Hey, you're supposed to use a suction cup, but since there's a gap already, I'm gonna use my fingernail to jam it. If you never changed it before, or it's the first time you're changing it, for the 6S, there's like a glue around it. So you need to heat it up with your hair dryer. So I'm going to pull out the sticker. There's a double-sided strip of sticker that you can pull out. You are supposed to remove all those. By the way, it's better to remove the battery cover and disconnect the cable right here first, okay? And those are the Phillips screws. So it's a long one. Gotta be careful, there are different sizes. And the second one's a little bit shorter. Yeah, I need to remove the screen because unfortunately the double sticky tape doesn't want to come out. Like so. So a small one, short stubby. Make sure you arrange your screws nicely. So when you put it back together, you don't need to worry about what screw goes with where. It's a short stubby one too. Short one. Short one. So only the upper left hand corner one right there, that's a long one, that's it. Okay. Yeah, I'll need to heat it up. Alright, so it's pretty hot. So I use my gift card or cash card I have. Try to pry it out. It's just a plastic card. Yeah, you gotta watch out for this side because the flex cable is under here. When you pry out, you gotta mainly on this side. Yeah, I need to heat it up more and loosen another glue. Alright, so it's still hot. I'm gonna test the battery, see it's good first. Alright, so it's good. So yeah. Anyway, make sure you guys listen whatever the tip that I give it to you about charging, and just unplug it right away when your phone is fully charged. Try not to charge up to 100%. Normally, just like Tesla battery, you can only charge up to 80 to 90%. And when the charges, normally I charge about 20% or 25%. If the battery is lower like that, then I start charging it. You don't want to go below 0% or 2%. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, like always. Peace.